Warning, if you were sent this video, chances are your stripe game is likely to be weak, poor, or non-existent. Please take into consideration that your friend that sent you this wants only the best for your customers and cares very little about your feelings. Enjoy.
How you doing, ladies and gents? Sam Care here. Today we're gonna learn how to stripe good with a lawnmower. Now we got that intro out of the way, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. Your mother would appreciate it, and definitely my father would appreciate it. So, first, you're gonna have to get yourself some Air Maxes. That's step one. That way you can go fast and see easy. Step number two, it's loud, so we need to get some kind of ear protection. Nope. I use Beats. Step three, you need to get yourself a lawnmower. I prefer the Skag V-Rod, first edition, not the second edition. That one's crap. I bet you're asking, and I bet you're wondering, how exactly are you gonna make a straight stripe? Well, I'll tell you. It's a whole lot like driving a vehicle. Hell, that is a vehicle. Let me ask you something. Whenever you drive your vehicle, whether it be a truck, or you're a woman and you drive a car, or you don't have any friends and you drive a Fiat, when you look out that windshield, you look straight, don't you? Don't you? I'm asking you.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you don't roll down your window and you look down, you look straight. And that's how you're gonna make a straight stripe. You just look straight. I got plenty of gay friends. Now, one final tip. You're gonna pick something out in the distance and you're just gonna look at that. Dead center, in between your eyes, but in a distance. So what I'm gonna be looking at here, what I'm gonna be putting in between my eyes in a distance is the door handle. We're gonna see how it works out.
I like the stripe. I like the stripe. Yo, I like the stripe. I like the stripe. I like the stripe. I like the stripe. I like to stripe the yard, yeah. And I like to do it. Yeah. Get on the beat right, get on the beat right, and strap. I like to strap. Yeah, I like to strap. Yeah.
That right there is how you make a perfect stripe. Not like them other fools, but like Sam Care. Now, I know, it seems simple. Look at something out in the distance between your eyes. Don't look at the tire, and don't squeeze these all the way down. Hell, even a bald woman could do it. Well, you let me down.
Listen, maybe a bald lady can't do it.
I'm just saying, you let me down. All right, so maybe
to wheelie right at the start.
So maybe it isn't. Maybe it isn't easy as it looks. But I do promise you that if you take into consideration the things that I said, that you will be able to pick it up. Lawn mowing ain't for anybody. Does that sound right?
Yeah, lawn mowing is not for anyone.
Be sure to comment, like, and if you feel so inclined to, don't subscribe. That's if you don't like lawn care and you don't like me. Now, if you do like me and you do like lawn care, be sure to subscribe. Come back here every Monday morning, about 6:45 a.m., and we'll do another video. Thank you. We're gonna phone a friend here, see if he's got any more advice. I know he's done mowing because it's supposed to rain later this week. Hey, Sam Care here. Hey, I was just curious. How do you make the perfect stripe?
I don't know, you gotta call Blake.
What's that?
You gotta call Blake.
I already called B&B. He didn't answer. I want to ask you. How do you make that perfect stripe?
You go backwards?
Well, you go forwards. That's 50% right there.
Go back and forth. What's up, Sam?
I'm just wondering how you make the perfect stripe.
Yeah, you go back and forth.
I don't think you're right.
Well, I don't know what I'm doing, so.
I love you.
I gotta go, alright? I'm busy.
Alright, bye. Okay.
I like the stripe. I like to stripe the yard, stripe the yard, stripe the yard.